I didn't feel well at all throughout the games that we had. I didn't know it at the time, but I had a heart attack at such a young age. I was 15 at the time, and I was rushed to a nearby hospital. Shortly after that, I passed out a third time, and that was my third heart attack.
I think there was a moment in my life that I was in a very deep hole, and I was trying to get out of bad situations with my own strength.
Everyone is going through their own battles. Everyone is going through their own Jesus forsaken. And there's no point of adding weight to that cross. So I try my best to get a smile, make them laugh, even though, for me, I'm going through my own stuff too. So a lot of the time I don't want to do that. But it truly makes me feel better that even if it was just for a moment, if I could get a laugh or a smile out of them, it truly makes me feel good.
We're all capable of existing with each other.
There were a bunch of kids with their parents just playing around, and they were playing on the soccer field. And now it's become kind of part of my daily routine, just going to the park for an hour every day with the kids and teaching them, giving them a little tips on like soccer tips or just in general.
We reconsidered movie hopping and we bought tickets again and we went to another movie. So we're supporting our theaters and we're having all of us having a good time without having to worry about anything.